Hey guys, this video is about the Chinese word mao, which means cat. Here are some examples of how to use this word. The first one is 你的猫好可爱。你的猫好可爱。Your cat is so cute. The second one is 这只小猫是谁的？这只小猫是谁的？ So, Mao, the measure word or quantifier for Mao is 只, it's this character here, usually pronounced 只, which can mean only as well, it has different pronunciations. So, 这只小猫, 小猫 means kitten because it's little cat. So, 这只小猫是谁的？Whose kitten is this? And finally, 这边的猫太多了。这边的猫太多了。There are too many cats over here. It could indicate an area or a region where they've multiplied too much and you're just passing this comment, there are too many cats over here. Thanks for watching.